Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen, welcome back with your chef Paolo. Today we're gonna make something which is not a dish, but it's a recipe super useful. Countless of you guys ask me, hey Chef Paolo, where I can buy the cooking cream? Can I use milk instead of cooking cream? You know guys, cooking cream we used to make so many super delicious dishes. Tuscany salmon, spaghetti with bacon and mushroom, spaghetti boscaiola, lasagna, many dishes. So today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade cooking cream. Super easy. 3 ingredients: 200 grams of fresh milk, 400 grams of corn oil, pinch of salt. Follow me. Super easy. You can make it whenever you guys like. Milk in the pot. Ole! We don't need the rocket science here, guys. Cooking is easy. We can all be chef. Pinch of salt. Let's start with. We start to add little by little. We dissolve our corn oil. And here you are, guys. Our cooking cream is ready. Look how creamy and nice it is. I like it so fluid. I don't like it too much stick. It's like the one that you buy in the supermarket. So now, with this cooking cream as a base, we can make so many recipes together. Many of them we already make. Just check garlic shrimp spaghetti. And now you can make it at home, like a real chef. You see, guys, this is supposed to be, for me, the consistency of the cooking cream. In the way, when you use it to cook some pasta or whatever, you can reduce it in the fire and give that perfect consistency when you eat it. Thank you very much for following Chef Paolo in such a simple but super useful recipe. And of course, every time here, next recipe with me in my home, in my kitchen. See you later. Bye bye!